It is very sunny today, and it's lovely, but coming through the curtains, because I've got the heating on, it gets really sunny in this living room and I'm absolutely dying. So I've got a lot of cleaning to do today, so I'm going to go in the kitchen and start cleaning. Anthony's actually at work. This is his last shift of the year, so he should actually be on his way home now. I keep looking at this clock here in the background to see what time it is, but it's actually been broken for maybe 2 weeks. I can't figure out what's wrong with it. It's still ticking, but the hands aren't moving anyway. So I have no idea what time it is, but I think it's around dinner time. He'll probably be on his way home soon. So I'm gonna have to clean up because he will definitely want feeding by the time he gets home. I've got quite a lot of work to do today, so I need to crack on. So let's go and clean. Anthony's home now. We've just had lunch. We had the same chicken salad that we've had every single day this week, and I'm just about to edit some videos because we go out tomorrow. We're not going to be home tomorrow night, and I do all my editing on my Mac. I don't have a laptop to take with me, so I've got to edit 2 videos today so that you've got a video for tomorrow and a video for today. So I'm going to do that now. One video edited and almost uploaded. It's got six minutes left. So I've made myself a coffee. I'm going to do a little bit of drawing while that finishes, and then I've got one more video to edit.